3 ways in which trying new things improves your health. Sometimes you need a change of pace. Whatever the reason may be, you can't stick to the same thing over and over again and hope for different results. Maybe you're getting antsy with your job, or you're having problems with your relationship. Perhaps you simply want to learn more about yourself. Regardless of your motive, there are some health benefits to trying new things. Here are 3 of them. 1. Stop body boredom. Believe it or not, your body can get bored. That's why fitness gurus always advocate for mixing up your workout regimen, and health experts say you have to try all kinds of different foods. When you're continually doing, trying, and eating new things, you'll put a stop to that body boredom. And your body can grow and flourish in unimaginable ways. 2. Work on your brain's perception. Our brains perceive time in a bizarre way. Sure, we know that an hour is 60 minutes and a day is 24 hours, but in reality, our own perception of time is not a constant. It depends on the activities we're doing and how much we're engaging our minds as we do those activities. When you step outside of your usual routine, you show your brain a new way to perceive time. It's not too fast and not too slow. It's exciting and unique. 3. Target your mental health. Mental health is all-encompassing. It includes confidence, happiness, self-esteem, and self-awareness. When you try new things, it doesn't matter what the outcome is. This exercises your brain in ways that improve your mental health. You may not realize it, but each time you set yourself up for a challenge, you gear yourself up for an accomplishment. Whether you meet the expectation or not, it's good practice for improving your overall mental health. Think about some of the healthiest people you know. Are these the kinds of people who sit around and watch Netflix all day? Are they the ones who are grouchy and reluctant to try new things? Or are they the kinds of people who are active, who put themselves out there, and who are always up for a challenge? Now, think about yourself. What kind of person do you want to be? It's up to you. And by the looks of these health benefits that come from trying new things, it's in your favor to hop on board and give it a try.